lagyan mo ng konti.
No, do this.
Basta yan.
Not to me.
So yun, good morning. Kagigising lang namin. Ito, mga bata, gising na. Wake up.
Morning. Morning.
Ito na kape. So yun, yung aking in-laws at saka yung tita nakasama namin is pabalik na sila ng
Mami pa, Austin.
yung mami ni Mrs. ay papunta ng Texas, yung father-in-law ko pabalik ng Reno saka yung sister niya. So maraming thank you. And yun, sa susunod naming bakasyon siguro ulit. Kailan?
Yan na. Bye.
Kape, Mami. Ito kape, oh.
Yes.
Malis na talaga kayo?
Oo.
Picture muna, oh. Kape ni Daddy.
Di sa labas, sa may awning.
Picture tayo dito sa
I'm
may
gonna miss you.
Mama.
Ma! Mami!
Dito.
Ma, ito yung kape. Ma, buksan mo nga. Nasaan ang camera?
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye, Lolo.
Bye-bye, Diana! Give me a hug!
Dito tayo mo ng
Dito ko.
Huwag masyado rap ha, pakabait ka na ha.
Samantalang
Be good,
sa Pilipinas, yung mga edad mo.
Lahat dito.
Kami hindi market, second floor lang yun.
May iwan na ang mga inapoy.
Okay, 10 seconds, smile. Go there.
Send mo sa akin.
Ma, you already got it in your eye.
Kayo naman nga po, kayo naman nga po. Ay, may lahat.
Selfie mo na lang siya. Okay, ito muna. Ito muna. One. Yeah. One, two. Very good.
Kaway. Thank you, Sean.
Thank you.
Oh, hug lolo niyo.
Thank you, little one.
Oh,
Thank you sa amin.
oh, silang apat.
Ay, hindi na.
One, two, smile. Jana, smile. Ay, wait. Naka-timer. Ba't naka-timer pa rin to? Smile. Oh, okay.
Ay, hindi yung kanina.
1, 2.
Wow, ganda smile niya na. Smile.
Hug. Hug. Ala, hug. Oh, 1, 2. Okay.
Thank you.
Pero ito ang nalulungkot
Huwag mo
eh.
na
Walang
ipadala
tao.
yung ano, yung natin yung paberte natin, dalawang mo na ipadala yung 300 na basket sila. So, September. Hindi papadala nyo. Sigat pa birthday ha, Cash. Bili na lang kayo ang gusto nyo. Bahala mami mo.
Bahala mami mo sa
Makakabili ba siya
iPhone. Ayan kay
150?
daddy, o lambingin. Matuto kasi maglambing sa daddy. Ingat kayo.
Yeah, we got your
Ingat din ba
birthday
kayo?
present
Ingat.
already in your mommy and daddy.
Yung mommy and daddy.
You're gonna buy it in the store, okay?
Daddy.
Buy in the store.
Daddy, tayong tatlo.
Ano nga yung wedding kasi ni
8, diba? 6.
Lapit ka.
One, two, three. One more. One, two, three. Pa. One, two, three.
Mali, GPS mo nga kay Daddy yung busman sa
Andito
sakyan.
na, meron na.
Hindi para ano sa sakyan.
Wala naman ano, ibig
Wala
yung
nga.
sakin eh.
Walang CarPlay.
Wala. Saka naka-download na. Naka-antik na. Wala problema.
Hindi nami-mirror. Dati yung iba nami-mirror mo doon sa...
Ibang ano yun.
Ingat kayo, Daddy. Sabi
Hoy, makikita ka tayo. Sa'yo nga yan.
Ano, nag-decap to? Hindi.
Hindi.
Oh, hindi. Oh.
Ay, eto, Daddy, may decap. Bigyan ko tayo decap.
Ay, may decap ka ba?
Nagsisigurado na.
Mamaya.
Nakalak daddy yung
Iinom
car.
naman ako ng ihi.
Ilak mo.
Yeah.
Si Atel, makikita pa rin kami sa Rino.
Babayan na. Ingat kayo ah. Ingat ah.
Daddy, May decaf ka dun sa maleta kong pula dun.
Daddy, what mark is in
Hindi ko lang nailabas.
Sayang yung ano, yung mga kahoy, oh.
Gagamit tayo bukas.
Mamaya pala. Tulugan niyo mamaya. Stock niyo.
Love you guys.
Bear spray natin na.
Touch, ihiga pa ulit.
Morning has broken, my windows are open. Wanna feel the wind blow through my hair. Which way do I follow? What happens tomorrow? I turn to you and hope you can guide the way. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So I lean on you when I'm lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. In times that are changing and when hope is fading, I know I can turn to your embrace. 'Cause there's so much beauty under your heaven, and I'm grateful every day. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So I lean on you when I'm lost my way. I keep
So yan yan, no? Last day namin dito ngayon sa Kowa Resort dito sa West Glacier. So susulitin namin yung araw kasi last day na nga. Check out namin ng noon today. So yan, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga parkingan ng RV. So merong playground at yung may pool. Magsiswimming muna kami. At maganda naman yung weather. Then may mga ano dyan, may mga nagla-live music ng isang gabi dyan. Pero puro lagi kami late na nakakauwi. So hindi na namin na napasyalan. But yan, may mga playground mga bata. May mga slide, swing. So kompleto. So yun. So pinakita ko naman sa inyo yung view sa taas. So yun, pwede rito mag camping na may pool. So yun, may mga cabin din sila dong maliliit. Sinlaki lang din ng mga RV. Pero okay din lang. At least kung wala kang ano. May mga nagte-tent din doon sa side na yun. Saan daan? Ito. Dito na ako dumaan sa damuhan. Yun o. Laki na meron sa kabila na yun. Ano din, pool din. Dalawa yung pool. O nga pala, dalawa nga pala yung pool. Ito family pool. So yun ay malalim siguro. So yan. Sarado pa yung kabila. Saan ba daan? Lampas pala ako. Sarado yata yung kabila, no? Ah, may gate. Wala. Nakasarado ah. Ah, may ano. May ganun pala.
Just a little bit.
If I eat
Yeah, your feet.
4 feet, 5 feet.
I have a lot of hair.
Sumama si Jordan.
And you only have
Ang feet doon.
Yeah, see?
Yun yung hot tub.
Ah, hot tub ba yun?
your hairs are really when it's
Bukas?
water.
Oh, mamaya dito ka muna.
Sarap mag hot tub.
Dragon!
Mahal yung GoPro ha.
Yeah, like that. Like that. But your hands have to be like this. When you do this, that's when you go up, okay? And breathe.
Daddy, let me hold this if I can do something.
Oh, okay, go. Okay, go. Pajak. Oh, pajak, pajak.
Tita John, look!
Ah, nice.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back. While I'm on a one-way track. Now I know what it means to grow old. Yeah, now I know the time I got, it is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by. Sometimes I understand I'm making all the wrong demands in life. It never pays in the end. But still I am here, moving on like before. I'm yearning to reach the shore. Now I know what it means to grow old. Yeah, now I know the time I got, it is just enough to get by. Oh, now I know what it means to grow old. Yeah, now I know the time I've got, it is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by.
So yan, nakatapos na kami dito sa Montana. At kami pabalik na ng Canada.
What's Canada?
What's Canada?
We're going to
It's Canada.
Calgary. Why Calgary?
Ako, nalimutan ko lang yung pinag yung ano, stabilizer.
Caleb, do you want to go back to 1028 or we must here? Mommy? Can you
So all good na kami. At dire-diretso na kami ng Canada. Tatawid kami. Dito kami tatawid sa may carway. Medyo maliit lang siya pero pwede na rin.
And we're going to Calgary.
So long
Proceed on
weekend.
US to
Long weekend naman kaya sulitin na rin. Long weekend naman eh.
Continue on US 2 East for 70 miles.
Nakaraos na kami ng isang linggo, dalawang campsite. Una yung Yellowstone.
Ano ka? Nag-ano pa
Nag-ano pa kami, sa Medora, sa may Teodoro National Park, Roosevelt National Park. Then yung Yellowstone, then ito yung last. So yung sa Calgary, sa ano na lang kami, mga truck stop na lang. So all good. Thank you Lord. Nakaraos kami ng
12 days on the road.
12 days on the road. Hindi naman totally on the road kasi nag-campsite naman eh.
12 days na bakasyon.
12 days na bakasyon. So, okay na yun. At least nakaraos bago bumalik ng school yung mga bata.
Ano magandang memories.
In a quarter mile, take exit 397 towards Sweetgrass.
Ay, kung maraming biyahe papuntang California.
We're here.
Duty free, this exit. Sweetgrass. We are here at Sweetgrass.
Take exit 397.
Doon kami nagpapamit inspection na yung blue building na yun.
Doon.
Torque flow.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto 3rd Avenue.
Meet
You
inspection.
remember him?
in 300 meters, turn
Mga
left
galing
onto
Maple
Border
Leaf.
Road.
He's a clown. He protects everyone. But he's not just a clown.
Animal inspection.
Turn left onto 3rd Avenue.
Parang mineral yun. Yung puti-puti. Parang nakikita natin sa
Turn
statue.
left now.
Kaya,
Oo. Hindi ano yun.
ano ba dyan?
Ano? Wala akong makita.
In 300 meters, turn left onto 2nd Street and then turn
In
left.
800 feet,
Mga Mennonites.
O, parada na lang tayo. Lakad na lang tayo.
Kung para na tayo, doon lakad na
Ayun
lang.
naman
O may scale sa kabila ah.
Sarado yata. Ang galing. 35. Mas mahal pala doon. Hindi, mas mura nga doon.
Mahal sa ba?
Sabi dyan?
Wala.
Caleb, if you say Moose Trap, he's gonna get you.
Duty free ba yan? Hindi.
Di ba magsasarado yun?
Magsasarado nga. Kaya nga doon muna tayo. Duty free ba rin yan? Hindi duty free yan.
In 100 meters, turn right.
Magkano? 35.99.
Caleb,
Dito ay 36. Yan tayo magsabi.
Caleb, what's Peter Sean wearing?
Parado na tayo dito sa
In
Rizal.
400 meters, turn right onto I-15 North and then your destination is ahead on the right.
And what's Peter Sean wearing?
Turn left now and then turn right.
What about this? What's she
Turn
wearing?
right
Ford
now.
trucks ba? Meron ba na Ford trucks dito?
Like the tummy stuff? Did you make hairs? No. Let me help you. The hairs have to be long. Like this. See, look. These are the hairs. Mommy? Mommy? Can we call me Sean? No.
Canadian custom.
Ano sabi no unattended vehicle?
Hmm?
No unattended vehicle daw.
In 150 meters, turn right and then turn right.
Dito that owner's expense.
Na yan. Joke lang yan. It's a joke.
Oh no! Who's right here?
Turn right now and then turn right.
Okay, let's go kids.
Can I play in Daddy's phone?
No, we're going down.
Lalakad tayo doon. Where? Yan yung duty free. May bibilin lang.
After that, I'm gonna play in Daddy's phone.
Yeah. Come on. Saan wallet ko?
Saan na wallet? Nasaan?
medyas, kuha medyas.
Eh, just.
Kuha mo si Jana, kuha ka medyas. No, we're gonna buy something.
But I want to play your phone.
So, dito na kami sa malapit sa border. Dahil lang kami dito sa duty free para bumili na konting mabibili. Kung may pambili.
Dad, is there any
Yeah.
purple? Is there any purple bubble gum?
Yeah, gabi ka na look.
There.
Here dito sa border ng Coots at saka Sweetgrass. So, yun, doon kami pumaraga para daw ng mga truck. So, dati doon ako nagpapamit inspection sa area na yun. Papunta namin ang California nung nandun pa ako sa dati kong kumpanya sa ano na puro reefer. So ngayon kasi ako puro dry goods na. Duty free muna. Parang umuwi lang ng Pilipinas. May duty free din kada tawid ng border. Diba? Ano?
Yo, now I'm
Duty
big
free.
like you. Now I'm
Mahalanggas
big.
ha? Ba't ang mahalanggas? $360 to nga.
Mas mura sa kabila.
Duty free America. Tawag dito. Mag-washroom na, magwa-washroom.
No, to buy bubble gum.
Yeah, we're gonna buy.
527 lang naman.
Oy, sarado na ng paalam kayo na.
The
Oh,
towels.
ng 5. Oh, di 27. Please lang.
Yeah, but then here's the towels.
Ay! Ikaw,
Bakit?
takip.
Oh, you're putting it on. No, I want to do it.
Saan ang ka-GPS yan?
Again, put that thing down.
Yes, GPS mo nakasayo.
No, you cannot put it up.
Aso hindi updated ang GPS na yun.
You're cheating on me. Again. No, again. That's not a candy.
Please proceed to the highlighted route
Alam,
and
tapos.
then route guidance will start.
Ha? Ilang oras?
Anong dalawang
I
oras?
only have one.
Ano? Ay, cross iron. Dulo eh.
Tumawid tayo ay Friday
In
night.
300 meters, turn right onto I-15
That means
North.
you don't have.
Eh, totoo na may masasabihin natin na masyal naman talaga tayo.
Oh,
Gusto
Friday
nila,
night.
pakita ko yung passport
Tinatanong kasi yung ano, yung
ng National Park.
kung kailan nagtawid.
That means I
Ako
have
lang
to
muna
be on
sasagot,
the-
wag kayo sasagot.
August 23, di ba?
Yeah.
Ng gabi.
Ang date, August 23?
Oh, pero parang midnight na yun, so parang 24.
Caleb, Caleb, Caleb.
Almost midnight ng
You don't
23.
have this. Purple.
Turn
Magkano na
right
pamili
now.
yun? $60 ano?
Oh, 60.
Raspberry.
Nasaan yung receipt? $60.
Where's raspberries?
Kaya may ngayon, tatawid tayong border.
Huwag kayo maingay, don't talk.
The officer gonna ask something, many questions.
Yeah, don't talk. Oh, I didn't tell the truth what we do. What we did. We went to Yellowstone. Totoo naman ah.
Kasi pagka, if they ask what we did here, why you're late to cross, sabi mo, we just eat.
Yeah, pag tinanong lang bakit tayo late tumawid kasi 5 o'clock close yung duty free. Sabihin
just
nyo
ate,
lang, we
tama.
just ate at the truck stop. Here.
Because
Okay?
they're hungry.
Yung truck stop na yan, kumain tayo.
Sa gas truck, hindi sa truck
Proceed
stop,
on
sa gas truck.
I-15 North.
Gas truck.
Hmm.
Yeah, gas truck.
So patawid na kami dito sa
What?
border ng Coots. Coots na itong side ng Canada. Sweetgrass yung US.
When you say correct and I said it wrong because I didn't say anything.
Keep left.
Caleb, when
Tayo,
you
dito tayo. Para walang pila. Open or
Oh,
covered.
now I put the
Yeah.
purple thing inside. Now I put the purple can right there.
Quiet na, dyan na, quiet na.
Hello sir, good evening.
How many on board?
Just 4, family of 4.
Where do you guys live?
Winnipeg.
Where did you go?
We went down to Yellowstone. Then we went last destination here in West Glacier in Montana.
Anything to declare?
We just bought in duty free 2 alcohol, 24 bags of beer and 1 liter of hard.
Anything else?
That's everything.
Any guns?
Nothing, sir.
Weapons or ammunition?
Nothing.
Modifications, repairs done to your truck or your trailer?
Nothing, sir.
Here, look at this.
Good to go.
Thank you, sir. Have a good night.
Yeah.
Is the GoPro on? Is the GoPro on?
Mm-hmm.
It is?
Yes. Why?
Where about the phones?
Cheers mo ba? Nakalusot ang ilang naming hilaw na karne.
Mommy, but I picked my boogers. Delete that.
Yeah, Daddy will cover it. Okay?
Hmm.
Did you eat your booger?
No. How will you eat your booger?
Tsempuhan talaga sa border yung mga...
Okay, quiet lang.
Mommy,
Oh yeah, Daddy's talking.
wait, I put it in my mouth and I spitted it.
Okay.
I didn't eat it, okay?
Hindi talaga makakability sa duty free dito. May harong talaga eh.
Mommy?
Wala ka naman titigilan dito.
Mm.
So, welcome back to Canada. We're here in Canada. Nagbalik na, but we're here in Alberta yet. We didn't get back to Manitoba. So,
Last minute change ng destination.
pero ito pa rin naman ang way natin pabalik. Galing ng Montana.
Nagkaroon lang ng
Gusto yung magpa-picture dyan sa Alberta. Ay, yung RV, wala akong picture sa Alberta.
O sige, pwede ba?
Pwede eh.
Mommy. Mommy.
Picture natin dito sa Alberta.
Let me tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, put it all straight before this night turns into day, and then I'm on my way. Yeah. Yes, I'm on my way. A bit naive and so eager to please. You know I played for love, but it got me on my knees.
Sa Calgary. So, merong plano pa. So, dito na kami papalipas ng gabi. At yan. Dito na lang kami nagpark sa likod ng Cross Iron Mall. So, yan, parada kami. Pwede naman dito eh. Yan, may nakaparada doong isa. Tapos meron din doong isa. Pagandahan lang kasi dito, may umiikot ng security. Kaya maganda, safe. Kasi nag-try kami doon sa Flying J. Anong puno na yung parking. So, pwede man kasi pupunta rin naman kami rito. Kaya dito na rin kami nagpark. So, ito, nasa loob na kami ng RV. Dito kami nagpark sa may Cross Iron sa likod lang. So ito nga no, yung advantage ng may ganito. Hindi naman sa inaano ko na mag-RV karamihan. Kumbaga itong sa amin naman kasi yung advantage naman ito kasi wala nag-long drive kami no. Ito plano namin nag side trip lang kami from Montana, dapat pabalik na kami. Ngayon, wala pa rin naman akong biyahe kasi nga, yun nga, yung truck ko is naka-confine pa. So, nag-side trip kami dito sa Calgary kasi long weekend. So, may planong bilhin. Yun nga, ang advantage niya is hindi mo na kailangan magpabook sa online ng accommodation. So anytime, anywhere, pwede mag-park, pwede matulog, and ito, pwede pang kumain anytime, magluto, may lutuan. So hindi siya kagaya sa mga truck namin na marami na kaming baong mga luto, init lang ng init sa microwave. So although kami dito naman sa RV may microwave din. So dala ko nga pala yung generator, so just in case na mangailangan kami ng power supply, meron akong mapapagsaksakan. Then yung gumagana lang na power dito is yung battery na deep cycle na battery na 12 volts. So gumagana yung mga ilaw, yung fridge gumagana. So gumagana yan. So meron din ako dito ng pantulong na ice. So yan, gumagana yan, nakamalamig. So yan, galing pa ng US. Bumulaga. So yan, oh. Meron pa kami ditong baon. Baon namin.
Yeah.
Maraming baon, di pa magugutom. So kakain muna kami, magsashabu-shabu muna. So yun, nagkakain muna kami, magtutulog, then bukas ay may bibili na kami dito sa Cross Iron, then uwi na rin. So yun, kita-kita na lang tayo bukas.